the importance of labeling boxes when moving. Hey there! Planning a big move? Whether you're moving down the street or across Melbourne, packing can be stressful. But I've got a simple tip that can save you so much time and frustration: label your boxes. Picture this: you've just arrived at your new home. You're excited, until you realize you have no idea which box has the stuff you need first. Nightmare, right? That's why labeling your boxes is a game changer. Let me show you how to do it correctly, and why professional house removalists in Melbourne swear by it. Tip number 1, be specific. First, don't just write kitchen on the box. Write what's inside, like plates and cutlery. That way, you won't have to dig through 10 boxes to find a fork. Tip number 2, use color codes. Next, try color coding. Blue for kitchen items. Red for bedroom stuff. Green for bathroom essentials. It makes unloading and unpacking so much easier. Tip number 3, fragile items. Moving glassware or electronics? Mark them as fragile, and make sure the removalists see it. This helps avoid broken dishes or damaged gadgets. Tip number 4, priority boxes. Pack an essentials box with things like toiletries, chargers, and snacks. Label it open first. That way, you have everything you need on day 1. Trust me, labeling your boxes properly saves you time, stress, and maybe even a broken plate or 2. And if you're hiring the best house removalists in Melbourne, they'll thank you for making their job easier, too. Label smart. Move easy. So, grab those markers and get labeling. Your future self will thank you. Like and subscribe for more moving tips.